Introducing the new Macintosh.
Using our fastest motherboard yet, our new Macintosh uses 128 kilobytes of built-in RAM.
The outer appearance of the Macintosh includes a 9-inch screen that features a built-in monochrome display with 512x342 native resolution.
The Macintosh comes with a fresh new keyboard.
With the Apple mouse, the complicated commands used to run the previous computers have been replaced with a simple point and click, making Macintosh the most easiest computer to use.
Macintosh features the first graphical user interface experience.
The best powerful computer for only $2,495.
The Apple Macintosh computer.